let's talk about a few things today, shall we? Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to give you a few updates. I have a favorites video that I'm gonna work on soon, probably at the end of this month. So another week and a half or so, I'm gonna work on a favorites video and get that out to you. That includes Amazon favorites, cabinet favorites, like just new things that I've gotten in my life that I'm really excited about and really excited to share with you. I also got that, I think I talked about it in a video, lavender violets. I got a new powder dip kit and I used it yesterday, so for the week. The other one held up really well. I had one fingernail, my middle fingernail with the white polish or powder that kept, like the whole thing kept popping off. They actually held up really well. The only thing was, I could actually just pop them off. If I, like when I went to take them off, I could just pop them off. So I liked that they actually weren't on like crazy hard, so I didn't have to use something to get them off with, but they stayed on until I took them off. So that was really cool. Now I'm trying the lavender violets. So that was the Tomika brand. Now I'm trying the lavender violets brand, and it's a little more gritty, the application process. I don't know if it was easier just because I knew what I was doing or because, I don't know, it just was an easier process with theirs. I do feel like there was like one or two less steps that I had to take, but regardless, it was easy. I liked it. I like the color. Since I got a whole kit with them, so 4 different colors with the lavender violets, and I'll just try out the different colors and let you know. I really wanted a gray, so I didn't get the Tomika brand gray. I just got this whole kit to try, and yeah, it's good. What else? Obviously, I got my new cabinets, and that purse right there is an unboxing that'll be coming soon. I couldn't put it up, but it is something off of my luxury wish list that I posted up maybe a week ago. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs that I've done. If you guys have any like suggestions, like video suggestions, just leave them down in the comments below. I'd really like to hear what you have to say, what you'd like to see. I do need to, I need to measure at the salon, like on my mirror, because I'd like to put a decal on there about my YouTube channel, but I forgot to measure it again. And there was another video I was gonna do, and I can't remember what it was. Whatever. Anyway, I'm sorry if you hear like chewing. You can see little Daisy right there. She's chewing on a bone. Actually, Gracie's chewing on a bone, but Daisy's just wandering around. The bag that I'm using this week is my Neverfull MM and the Damier Ebene. It's supposed to rain later this week, and I like that because it is just a perfect all-weather bag. It's awesome. So I did get a new purse. You can kind of see it, but there's a little bit of a reflection in my cabinet right there. But it is I wouldn't call it a luxury brand, but it is a really nice brand. Kind of, I don't know. I wanted a color purse, and I can't spend the money on something that I'm like, and I'm talking like the luxury money. So the like $600 to $1,200. I just can't do that if I don't know that I'm gonna like use a purse. But this weekend I found this beauty. I pulled her down. You ready? It is actually by Ralph Lauren, and I don't even feel like that color is coming off exactly how it is, like what it actually looks like in person, but it is so gorgeous. Let me grab a ruler so I can tell you how big it is. Okay, so this purse, to me on camera, it looks a little more peachy, but in person, it's like this really soft mauvey pink. It's gorgeous. All right, so across the top is 9 inches by the height is about 6 inches, and width is inches. And the width is about 2.5 inches. So it is like the perfect bag. The crossbody is adjustable over here. And it's got this like gorgeous gold chain that attaches to the purse and then to the strap. And I was a little disappointed when I realized like the chain doesn't disconnect. And by a little disappointed, I mean like not really disappointed at all, because it's just a gorgeous bag. But it would have been cool to be able to take this strap off and use it on another purse, or like use another strap on this purse. It's just not in the cards for it. So the zipper zips and unzips, so nice. This really reminds me honestly of like a Coach level like purse, quality of a purse, which is a fantastic level. And Coach has been coming out with some really, really great new things recently that I'm thoroughly interested in. They're really, really nice. I always like the understated look of Coach, but the like CCs everywhere, I didn't love. So they just weren't my style. They just didn't suit my style. So this Ralph Lauren bag, as you can see, just has this one zipper pouch here. And then it's got this pocket up front that has the Ralph Lauren lining in. And then on the inside, I still have it stuffed, so let me pull that out. So then on the inside, it just opens up to one like big compartment, and you have one slip pocket here, and then a zipper pocket, over here. And it's all the Ralph Lauren insignia, whatever, on the inside. It is just, it's so pretty. What a great weekend bag. Like, it's just gonna be like the perfect size to carry my wallet, my maybe a chapstick, my keys, my sunglasses. Like, this is it. This is such a beautiful pink purse. So I actually found it at DSW warehouse, and it is like the retail value is $145. And I got it for $89.99, and may have gotten a percentage off of that. I don't have another thing on here that says that, but as soon as I saw it was between this and a Ralph Lauren, like almost neon yellow, canary yellow. It looked like a Louis Vuitton Alma bag, but like the Alma BB, so the really small one. I'll try to insert a picture of that right here. So I went back and forth, and my mom was like, I don't like the yellow.
I don't like the yellow.
So I went with pink. I think I would carry this more anyway. It's definitely, for me, more of a springtime color. I do wear a lot of black. I will be careful with that because I don't want to get color transfer on here. But if I do, like, I'm not gonna cry about it. It's, you know, it was a $100 bag, and you know, like, it's not my $1,000, $1,200 bag. So I feel like I can be okay if some color transfer happened. But regardless, I'm gonna be careful with it. It is springtime. I just wear a lot of black and gray, so I don't know. But isn't she just beautiful? I have on workout shorts, but I will go ahead and put some mod shots at the end of this video just so you can see, like, typically I wear jeans and a t-shirt or something on the weekends anyway, but I will definitely do that for you guys and only you guys. So anyway, I just thought I would talk about that. I haven't really been able to carry it because we are in Texas, and like shelter in place is like lifting, but it's not completely lifted. So I try not to go out like too unnecessarily on the weekends, but we'll get back to it. We'll get back to normal soon enough. So that's that. I still feel like there was something that I was gonna tell you guys or talk about, but I don't know. I did a lot of cooking yesterday, and that's gonna be on the vlog for coming up soon. I think today is Tuesday, by the way. Tuesday the, can't be the 19th, is it? Yeah, Tuesday the 19th. It felt like it was later in the month than that, but you know, what is time? So yeah, now you can see my pup. So that's everything I think that I was gonna update you guys on. I am at such a loss for what it was that I was going to talk about, but I am so glad that I got to like talk about and introduce this purse because she is a beaut. Let me see if I can get it to look more like it's got, well, that looks like it. That looks like it. So it's like a really nice pink in person. It's just a little bit more like mauve-y. She's just a beauty. I really love the simplicity of this purse, and that's kind of why I went for this like rectangular shape. I think it just holds things really well. There was another purse that it was no brand at all, which is fine by me. I just love purses, luxury, non-luxury. I just love purses and handbags and whatever. There was another one that actually looked a lot like the Gucci Disco Soho, which is also on my wish list, but I don't know, like the size of it was really great, whatever, but it was between that and this. I just had to go. I just got something that kind of fills a need in my collection. I don't think that will have gone out by the time I post this video up. So I went with the pink. I had to add a little bit of pop of color to my collection, and this one went out. So, and with the Gucci Disco Soho, I still don't know if I would get the emerald green or the black. I'm so torn. It's such first world problems, but anyway, hopefully soon you'll be seeing the reveal of that bag right there. I hope you enjoyed kind of this like mini review of this. Again, DSW Warehouse. I'll see if I can find it on their website and link it below for you guys, but if not, it is Ralph Lauren, so you can kind of search around. Maybe your local DSW shoe warehouse would have it, and they don't have it online, but I will look, and if I can find it, it would be linked down below for you. So thank you guys for tuning in. Again, thank you for the support of my channel. I really appreciate it. Subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. The simplicity of her, I like of it. I mean, no. Can't do it like that. Wow. Coming up soon, I think maybe tomorrow, which, hey, we'll get it in a minute.